special sample superstore subset.xlsx using orders sheet, we need to find the customers who are in our top 100 customers list of sales for year 2012, and same time they are also in the list of lowest profit margin 100 customers for same year. A hint, use product based margin field to find the profit margin for a customer. This question is very interesting. In this we are going to apply the concept of the sets and the combined sets. In the first section of the question, they have asked to find the list of the top 100 customers who are giving us the sales, and year 2012 they have mentioned, and also we need to find the 100 customers who are giving us the least margin. So it means on the sales we have to find the top customers, and on the profit side we have to find the bottom customers with respect to the profit base margin. So let's now see the data and go to the solution of the question. Data is already loaded here. If we go here, now the first thing is we need to create a top 100 customers list with respect to the sales. In order to create set, let's go to the customer name. Let me create here a set top 100 sales customers. We'll use the top here by field, top 100. Let's select sales here with respect to the sum. These are top 100 sales customer. If I drag customer, add all members, these are my top 100 sales customers. So we can see it has in and out. So these are the top 100 customers. Where is my year? Order date. Order date is 2012. So these are the customers. But as I had mentioned in previously, that whenever we are using the sets, we should take care of the context. Let's apply this filter to the context, because by using the context, now this set is applying only to the data of the 2012. Otherwise it was bringing the value of top 12 out of the full data. So these are the customers which belong from 2012 only. Now the second part of the question was to bring the data of the customers who are having the lowest base margin. Now let's see the data of the product base margin. Product base margin. I want to clear one thing, like for example, if I see the base margin, customer name, and if I put it here, see, by seeing the data, it's clearly visible that it's a percentage. It's not the profit value. So it's a percentage. In order to use the percentage, it's always better we use the average of this column. Now let's go to creating the set. We go here again and we create customer name set. We go to the top tab, lowest EAR, lowest earning margin, or I can say 100, least earning margin, least LEAS, least earning margin customers. We select here bottom 100, and here we select product based margin, and here we use the average. So these are the customers who are, so this set will give us the customers who are in the top 100 customers for sales, and these are the lowest earning customers. Now let's create a set with the combined thing. create combined set. We select top 100 customers in low earning customers list. So we are creating another set based on these two different sets, and since the requirement is to get the list of the customers who fall into both categories, so what we do is we select this option shared members in both sets, so that this will give us the customers who are in the top sales customer list as well as they are also in the least earning margin customers. So if we select this one, so and what we do is we put this filter here. Okay, cool. It has already filtered two customers, and if I see here, for example, sales, this is their sales, and if I see the product based margin, let's take the average for the product based margin. We can use the average, and if we enable the labels, and if also I enable the label here. Okay, so these are the two customers, Diana and Jan. So these are the customers who are giving us a good sales, but their revenue share is very low. So this is the way we have used the sets in order to get our desired result. Whenever you are working with the sets, always take care of the filters, that how the filters should be applied, because sets are directly impacted by using the filters. It can really impact your result. For example, if I remove this out of the context, let's see what happens. Clear filter, remove from context. See, the result has changed. So those 100 customers does not fall into any of the customer who are giving the lowest earning, because their sales has really increased. Now the data is coming from whole available data set, not the 2012 is not being applied correctly. So that's why it's always recommended to apply the context when you are dealing with the sets. I hope it clarifies the question and its solution. Thank you very much.